Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can send and receive a fax messages on your Samsung Galaxy A04S. So at the start we have to download the fax app. You will find a lot of them in the Google Store. I am always using the EasyFax. So we have to launch it. Now just add the permissions to the camera and to the files. And go back to the app. Here you can see now we're in the send fax mode, and if you want to add a document, just click on this little plus and choose the source of your document. I will import something from my gallery. Like this one, and click import. You can also take a photo of your document, of course. Now, there we have a place where you can adjust the shape of your document to make it more visible, or maybe specific, and click here. Now just use the filter to make it more visible like before, and you can also add a signature to your text. Click OK, and use the place for the signature. If you are ready, click OK. You can also add a text here and make a graffiti. Now just click on this accept icon. And if you want to add more document, just click on this little plus and do it like before. But if you want to send only this one, just type the number here. Choose the country. And optionally you can give a small note in this place. If you're ready to send your document, just click on this button and that's it. But if you want to get a fax number to receive the fax messages, tap on this little tab, and just tap on the get fax number. Now just use your select your plan, click continue and choose the number, and after that click done. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.